And I'm going to show you how to make an extra $500 in basically seconds. Go to ChatGPT and we're going to put in this prompt. Search for 3 roofing companies near Savannah, Georgia with an email, but without a website. Scrape their emails, then make a landing page for each of them based on their company information, the logo, photos, and any information you can find online. Create a standalone HTML file for each. So this just needs to be a one-pager. It doesn't have to be anything complex, doesn't need like a contact form or anything like this. It's going to have their email and their address just on this one-page thing. And I prompted it with, they don't have a logo, create one for them and add it to the HTML file. Do not add information that is not available online. So you want to have a explicit instruction set for these LLMs, and it will be able to build a pretty decent single page website for these companies after it scrapes all of them. Some of these places, they might have a Facebook account that they work through. They might have an Instagram that they work through. And some of them, they're just not going to think about a website until you bring it up to them. And if you could do it for a decent price, roofers make good money. And that's why we targeted them, because they make good money every project. And if you pitch them $500, you're in a good spot as far as the competition goes. I've been in the web development game for decades now, 20 plus years. And this is how I got my start. But back in the day, you had to do all this manually. All these AI tools like Claude, OpenAI, you can do this literally within minutes. And this could start a business for you if you want to continue down this road, because you could literally do this in every city. I'm just using Savannah, Georgia as an example. So if you pitch to 3 of these roofing companies today, one of them picks up the phone, one of them answers their email and says, absolutely, I need a website right now. You just made $500 because you already have the HTML file. Now you have to host the HTML file, because it's not just about the HTML page today. This is the first step, but I can work with you after this so you can make this into a successful thing. And as you can see, it finished this task. It says, done. I created 3 standalone HTML landing page files and zipped them together. It gives you a zip file. So now you have the actual files that you can either send to the client and they pay you up front for the file, or you can host it yourself. And then not only do you get the $500, but you can charge them recurring revenue every month for hosting. And hosting one HTML file is literally pennies per month. You could probably do this for 28 cents on Amazon AWS, or Vercel is free. So you could probably do this for free on Vercel and then charge them $20 a month for hosting. So every month you get $20 a month, you get 10 clients, $200 extra dollars a month, and you literally do nothing every month because you just get this recurring revenue. You can make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month just from hosting these people, and you just host them on Vercel. It's free. Now let's take a look at some of these files. Chris Morris has a roof work with a local name behind it website. Very unique design. I would say not bad, considering it's all just one HTML page and it took about 12 seconds to build. There are some embedded links at the top with a contact, services, etc. Considering they're one page, and they're also better than this, which is just a listing with no website. And if they have a website, at least there's some information there and it looks legit. You know, precisionroofing.savannah.com, precisionroofingsav.com, you know, and then you can also upsell them on the domain. You can register a domain for them. And usually domains cost around $12 to $15, and you can use GoDaddy to do this. So instead of just $15, you charge them $40 for the registration because it takes you a little bit of time to do it. Then every year the renewal is $25. So you have to upsell, you have to make money on every service that you provide. So you basically just made a marketing, web design, and web development business. Very low end, mind you, very, very low end. Now this isn't the best website they'll ever get, but for $500, that's not bad. You do hosting, give them a little one pager. Now, if they are technically inclined, they could do this themselves. But most roofers, from my experience, I've worked in fields like this before. And if you can bring in any more business for them, show them that you can do the work for them. $500 is a really good price for a website. And with the commoditization of HTML, CSS, design, large language models, ChatGPT, Claude, this is only going to be a race to the bottom. So get in while you can, get that $500, keep moving forward, get that supplemental income from these sites that you host. So I want to let you know that I do offer services like this, where if you need some help starting a business, go to my website, willwalden.com, and book me, because I can help you do this. I can help you start your own business if you have any ideas, or if you don't have any ideas, I can help you ideate and get to a place where you will be actually making money. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below, business in the comments, and I will send you some more information about how to make your business successful. All right, take care. I'll see you next time.